Guys, today we talk about how can you change your business name on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, and first you just go down, click on manage down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. You go down here. So then you will find here business info. You just click on it. So then you come here to business name. You come to name here. And here can you change your name? Go above save, click on it. So then here it's going to change with your name on your Wix app. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.